Hello, guys, welcome to Divine Readings 8, and I am your divine messenger, Juhi. And today I am gonna be talking about the month of September with you, and we'll be checking the messages that we are getting from the energy oracle cards for you. So, let's see what is your energy today and what are the cards saying to you. What messages do we have for you? So, this video is a bit different because this is based on the four elements, that is fire, earth, air, water signs. Okay, so these are basically your signs. That fire signs are of Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Earth signs are Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Air signs are Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And water signs are Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay, so let's begin with the first sign, that is the fire sign. Okay, let's see what message are we getting for the fire sign. Let's see what card are we getting for the fire sign for the month of September specifically. I think I just feel like pulling this one. Angel of Balance. So guys, this is basically for fire signs Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Somewhere I feel that your life needs a little bit balance than what it is right now. You guys need to balance your life a little bit because um there are times when we know what we have to do, but somewhere because of certain things we are not able to maintain a balance. Now this balance can be anything. It can be between your personal and your professional life. Okay, or else it can be between your friends or your lover. It can be of between your friends and your family, or it can be just between everything that's going around you. Okay, you need to get that balance in your mind. So what do you need to do? Firstly, start prioritizing things in your life, that what is important for you. Okay, and as per that, try to maintain a balance. Never be on one side, you need to be neutral. Okay, there can be people like who are overworking, who are exerting a lot. Okay, you guys work so much, but then you're not taking care of your health. So yeah, you need to get that balance in your life. Understanding? So it should not be that one, if you're doing one thing you have to let go of the other. If you have to do one thing, you have to also take care of the other one. So that is the message that I am getting for you for the fire sign, that is Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay, let's see what message are we getting for the earth sign. Okay, let's see. Let's shuffle the cards that we are getting for the earth sign, and I think I should take this. Okay, action. So, earth sign, the earth sign has Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, for all the people who are watching for this sign, the message that I am getting for you is take action. Okay, now you guys have so many plans in your mind that you just keep on planning all the time. Okay, so the planning period is gone now. Now is the time when you have to take that action. Now is the time when you got to move ahead. Okay, just look at the white horse here. Okay, now it has two meanings, to be frank. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. That some of the people are actually ready to take the action. Okay, but there are many who are left behind. Just look at this. Just look at the white one. He's completely in action. But look at the black one. He's still a little bit, okay, yeah, I have to move, I am okay, so you have to just speed up right now. You cannot work with the speed that you're working right now. You cannot grow with the speed that you're growing right now. Why is it happening? It is happening because of your efforts. There is a problem with the efforts being made by you. Until and unless you don't take action, nothing is going to work out for you. You have really larger than life dreams, but For that, you need to take that action. You need to get out of your comfort zone and take that action for yourself. That is the message that I'm getting for you, earth signs, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. Let's move to the next sign, that is air signs, Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. Okay, let's see what message are we getting for them. Okay. Amazing. I love this card. So, firstly, congrats. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Cornucopia is a beautiful card. So, the message that I'm getting for you is that September is going to be an amazing month for you. Firstly, you'll be working hard a lot in this month, okay? And with that hard work, you are gonna get that fruit that you have been working for since so long, okay? We always we always search for a result, that if we've worked on something, we need a result. So that is the result that I'm getting for you here. So cornucopia is a beautiful card. It is showing a lot of abundance coming your way, a lot of prosperity coming your way, and you might get recognition also ahead. You might even get somebody, might even they might praise you for your work. Somebody will acknowledge your work, and yes, you are gonna get the fruits that you have been waiting for since a very long time. Now, so Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, please let me know what happens once September is done. I am really eager to know your story. So yeah, this was the message that I was getting for you. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if this resonated with you, kindly like the video. Now let's move on to the water signs, that is Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. So let's see what message are we getting for them. Okay, so these have fallen somewhere. Okay, so let's see what messages are we getting for the last sign, that is water sign, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. Let's see. Okay, again I'm getting two cards. Let's see. I think y'all have two cards for you. Okay, let me just adjust this a little. So guys, you're very lucky. We have two cards for you. Firstly, you need to take care of a few things here, okay? So let's start with the first card, okay? So Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces are water signs. The first card that I'm getting for you is sixth chakra, Archangel Metatron. Now, sixth chakra, this card is about the third eye, okay? This is the third eye for you. So what is the message that I'm getting for you? You guys have been working a lot lately, but without any direction, without any clarity of thought that what you want to actually get into. So somewhere I feel that you guys might be getting an idea of clarity, getting some clarity, because you are now able to see the, actually you'll be able to see the clarity. You'll get that clarity of what you have been asking for since a very long time. So your third eye is helping you. Your third eye chakra is gonna help you a lot. So yeah, I can see a lot of clarity coming your way. Okay, that's a really good card. Okay, the next one that I got for you, since I got two cards for you, is Angel of Strength. So can you see there's a lion here, and there's this beautiful angel who looks extremely delicate yet ferocious. Okay, you have to be this. You might go through a little bit ups and downs in this particular month, but yes, once you go through all these things, you will overcome all these things. You will actually be the definition of what an angel of strength is. Okay, because see, what I can see is that you have a little bit of struggle this month, but that thing is going to help you a lot in getting clarity in what you actually wanted in life. Okay, So that is the message that I'm getting for you for the water signs. So yeah, that was the video for today. Do let me know if this resonated with you, and yes, definitely give it a big thumbs up, and comment if possible. Let me know about your experiences and what do you think about the same. Okay. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. All right. Take care. Ta-da. Bye-bye.